வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல் 10th Standard Science English Medium. One more question and answers. Lesson 18 Genetics. Choose the correct answer. According to Mendel, alleles have the following character. Answer option B, responsible for character. Responsible for character. 9:3:3:1 ratio is due to option C, independent assortment. Independent assortment. The region of the chromosome where the spindle fibers get attached during cell division. Answer option C, centromere. Centromere. The centromere is found at the center of the dash chromosome. Answer option B, metacentric. At the center of the metacentric chromosome. The dash units form the backbone of the DNA. Answer option D, sugar phosphate. The sugar phosphate units form the backbone of the DNA. Okazaki fragments are joined together by dash. Answer option D, DNA ligase. DNA ligase. The number of chromosomes found in human beings are dash. Answer option A, 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of allosomes. The number of chromosomes found in human beings are 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of allosomes. The loss of one or more chromosome in a ploidy is called. Answer option B, aneuploidy. The loss of one or more chromosome in a ploidy is called aneuploidy. Fill in the blanks. The pairs of contrasting character of Mendel are called dash. Answer alleles. The pairs of contrasting character of Mendel are called alleles. Physical expression of a gene is called dash. Answer phenotype. Physical expression of a gene is called phenotype. The thin thread-like structures found in the nucleus of each cell are called dash. Answer chromosomes. The thin thread-like structures found in the nucleus of each cell are called chromosomes. DNA consists of 2 dash chains. Answer polynucleotide. DNA consists of 2 polynucleotide chains. An inheritable change in the amount or the structure of a gene or a chromosome is called dash. Answer mutation. An incredible change in the amount or the structure of a gene or a chromosome is called mutation. Identify whether the statement are true or false. Correct the false statement. A typical Mendelian dihybrid ratio of F2 generation is 3:1. Answer false. The correct statement is a typical Mendelian dihybrid ratio of F2 generation is 9:3:3:1. A recessive factor is altered by the presence of a dominant factor. Answer false. The correct statement is a recessive factor is masked by the presence of a dominant factor. Each gamete has only one allele of a gene. Answer true. Each gamete has only one allele of a gene. Hybrid is an offspring from a cross between genetically different parents. Answer true. Hybrid is an offspring from a cross between genetically different parents. Some of the chromosomes have an elongated knob like appendages known as telomere. Answer false. The correct statement is some of the chromosomes have an elongated knob like appendages known as satellite. New nucleotides are added and new complementary strand of DNA is formed with the help of enzyme DNA polymerase. Answer true. New nucleotides are added and a new complementary strand of DNA is formed with the help of enzyme DNA polymerase. True. Down's syndrome is the genetic condition with 45 chromosomes. Answer false. The correct statement is Down syndrome is the genetic condition with 47 chromosomes. Match the following. Here column A and column B are given. In column A, questions are given. In column B, answers are suffered. We have to match it correctly. Let us see the answer. In column A, autosomes, diploid condition, allosome, Down syndrome, dihybrid ratio are given. Let us see the answer. Autosomes, 22 pair of chromosome. Autosomes, 22 pair of chromosomes. Diploid condition, 2n. Diploid condition, 2n. Allosome, 23rd pair of chromosome. Allosome, 23rd pair of chromosome. Down syndrome, trisomy 21. Down syndrome, trisomy 21. Dihybrid ratio, 9:3:3:1. Dihybrid ratio, 9:3:3:1. Thank you.